The recent Black Lives Matter protests peaked on June 6, when 500,000 people turned out in nearly 550 places across the United States. That was a single day in more than a month of protests that is still continue to today. Four recent polls, including one released this week by Civics Analytics, a data science firm that works with businesses and democratic campaigns, suggest that about 15 million to 26 million people in United States have participated in demonstrations over the death of George Floyd and others in recent weeks. These figures would make the recent protests the largest movement in the country's history, according to the interviews with the scholars and crowd counting experts. Across the United States, there have been more than 4,700 demonstrations, or an average of 140 per day, since the first protests began in Minneapolis on May 26, according to a Times analysis. Turnout has ranged from dozens to tens of thousands in about 2,500 small towns and large cities. Black Lives Matter has been around since 2013, but there has been a big shift in public opinion about the movement as well as broader support for recent protests. A deluge of public support from organizations like the NFL and NASCAR for Black Lives Matter may have also encouraged supporters who typically would sit on the sidelines to get involved. The protests may also be benefiting from a country that is more conditioned for protesting. The adversarial stance that the Trump administration has taken on issues like guns, climate change, and immigration has led to more protests than under any other presidency since the Cold War. According to a poll from the Washington Post and the Kaiser Family Foundation, 1 in 5 Americans said that they have participated in a protest since the start of the Trump administration, and 19% said they were new to protesting. More than 40% of countries in the United States, at least 1,360, have had a protest. Unlike with the past Black Lives Matter protest, nearly 95% of counties that had a protest recently are majority white, and nearly 3/4 of the counties are more than 75% white. According to the Civics Analytics poll, the movement appears to have attracted protesters who are younger and wealthier. The age group with the largest share of protesters was people under 35, and the income group with the largest share of protesters was those earning more than $150,000 annually. Half of those who said they protested said that this was their first time getting involved with a form of activism or demonstration. A majority said that they watched a video of police violence toward protesters or the black community within the last year. And of those people, half said that it made them more supportive of the Black Lives Matter movement. The amount of change that the protests have been able to produce in such a short period of time is significant. In Minneapolis, the city council pledged to dismantle its police department. In New York, lawmakers repealed a law that kept police disciplinary records secret. Cities and states across the country passed new laws banning chokeholds. Mississippi lawmakers voted to retire their state flag, which prominently includes a Confederate battle emblem.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.